What is going on, people? What is popping? Welcome back to the market. Hope you guys are all doing well. If you guys can hear me clearly coming through the airways, not the airwise, give me a quick thumbs up and let's get a show on the road, people. Welcome back. Welcome back to the market. Happy Friday. Happy OPEX Friday. This is going to be the largest OPEX of the year. Buckle up. Buckle up, Buttercup. This is going to be the largest. The biggest, the largest. And right now, the market is turning up. So if you have not yet, of course, smash the like button, engage with the video. Let's start breaking this down bit by bit by bit. We have ourselves some very interesting names I want to cover this morning here. Names like Open Door that have been just slowly, steadily drifting away here. I do want to cover Bitcoin and what that rally might look like. But guys, we are 1 week away from Christmas, or less than a week away from Christmas. We are 6 days away from Christmas. What are people's plans? What are people doing? Let me know. People are going to see family. What's popping? What's good? Who's cooking? Who's cooking? Who's not cooking? Who's going to see the fam? Who's traveling? Just a little quick Friday update as these 50-minute candles close over the next 2 minutes here. So we can get an idea for what price action might look like today. Family time and eat. I don't know if that means that you're coming over. Oracle currently up 4.5% right now. Yeah, Oracle was really close to getting cut for me. Oracle was like on the line, and it just so happened to stay alive. This is very close to the edge. Oh my goodness gracious. Oracle. Oracle. Oracle walking a fine line. We're hosting Christmas and I'm taking vacation. Woohoo. Not working for sure. Loves to see that. Merry Christmas. Yeah, Merry Christmas in advance, people. Wishing you and yours all the best, of course. Hopefully you guys get something good. Hopefully. Shout out reason for the season. Okay. We like that. All right. Let's start looking at this bit by bit by bit. I like that USO is back up this morning. like that. I like that USO is back pushing a little bit strong this morning. USO is back to testing a breakout, which is good. You'd like to see that. Oh yeah, for those of you guys who just jumped in here, if you guys have not yet, of course, guys, smash the like button, engage with the video. Thank you guys very much. If you're new here, subscribe to the channel so you can get these updates. And if you want to live trade with the team, guys, before the end of the holidays, which is before January 1st, link pinned top of chat. There is a trial, a free trial there ahead of you if you look to jump in, but do not wait until after January 1st. Okay. Cool. Let's start off here with this buy. Currently red this morning. Even after all that, currently red this morning. So the SPY is in a very interesting spot here, right? If it does lose day lows, we could be looking at quite the pullback. And I know everything seems to be fairly green this morning here, but just keep this part in mind, right? It is OPEX. And I think Trump is speaking at 1 p.m. today. So there's a lot that is going to be going on today. But there's going to be a lot of positions closing, a lot of money flowing around. Like, there's going to be some ish going on. Christmas blessings to you and yours, Team I. Thank you very much, Kim Harrison. Appreciate that. Good morning, gang. Coming from WebP Creator. Well, look, that's the SPY. The Q's in a very similar spot, a little bit stronger, but in a very similar spot this morning here. In a very similar spot this morning here. Let me see here. Bitcoin with a little bit of a bounce here. I really want to see Bitcoin come back down towards this level of demand here, so it could be an official shot to go long. But it's been holding steady for the past 5 days here. Just side trading along. Nothing too crazy. Nothing too crazy. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Comparison says good morning to Renee. Great morning, folks. Happy holidays. Oh, you know what? We should have some sort of Christmas themed music here. I'm surprised that we don't. Where's the Christmas themed music? What? Yeah, that's weird. Normally there would be some Christmas themed music, but I guess not this time. All right. Tesla is right back to testing highs again. I really want to see Tesla pull back down to get this gap filled so it can get a much stronger move up. But nonetheless, Tesla's still here again, trying to test this breakout level. Got a little rejection from 488. So with Tesla, I'm going to watch it in this range here, right? In between 481 and roughly 488 and just see what it can do. If it breaks back down below 41, things get ugly pretty quickly like it did on Wednesday. And we saw this thing fall back down towards 464, which is pretty ridiculous to be honest. But yeah, on Wednesday, we actually saw it go from 495 to 464. We saw a 30-point move with Tesla from open to the after hours. Insanity. In freaking sanity. Now let's see if we can get some other price action kind of moves here. Amazon chilling. Meta. Looking like a cup and handle here. Meta's going to try to break out. For those of you guys from the Discord, we had ourselves a great game plan this week. Actually, a lot of the things that played out this week weren't even from this week's weekly video. They were from last week's weekly video. Last week's game plan video had Meta moving like this, had the SPY coming back down towards 672, which it did. Had the Qs coming back down as well, which it did. I mean, the Qs came back down lower than expected, but the SPY didn't come back down low enough when the Qs got back down to their targets. So this is kind of just continuing down with the Qs. Hence the fact that, continuing down with the SPY. Hence the fact that the Qs are actually green this morning. The SPY is not. USO. So this is going to be interesting to me. So we do have some calls here. I made a video last night on oil, and USO is up this morning. So we're basically right at that spot again. If USO, let me just take a little peek here. Call sold off yesterday. Interesting. I'm wondering if we see something crazy today from an oil perspective. What else is green this morning? Interesting. If oil is making a move, that's not the greatest thing in the world. Okay, for the VIX, I will be watching to see if this were to crack back up over that $17 range here at all. Google, Microsoft, Amazon, Apple, nothing too crazy. Cypher Mining trying to pop back up. All the crypto names looking a little bit more bullish this morning. All slightly green. Just a touch. How's the Qs up? Down trade? I wouldn't be too focused on the Qs at this time, like singularly. I'd be watching both the Qs and the SPY. I do think they could potentially be looking at some more downside. The only thing is this. This is OPEX, which means it's the largest OPEX of the year, which means there's gonna be a lot of money moving around. Like the market is gonna have some very odd moves today. So this only happens once a year. It's the final OPEX of the year. You just buckle up and prepare. If you're in a trade and it's a solid setup, as long as you manage your risk, today can be one of those days that you have an absolutely fantastic day. But let your winners run, keep your losses small, and respect those rules. Just my opinion. This can be one of those days where you have yourself, a beautiful setup that is supposed to be a nice 15, 25, 30% mover that ends up hitting 70, 80, 90. When you go to the bathroom and come back, it ends up hitting 120. Just because we will be getting spikes and moves and positions being bought back or sold off or unhedged or unwound. It's gonna be a lot of stuff going on there. Whoops, hold up, whoops. A lot of stuff. XPEV up 5% this morning. Okay. Baba is also up a little bit this morning. I wanted to see Baba come back down a little bit lower. How the cannabis names? Hey guys, some of the cannabis names yesterday got absolutely spanked. Look at this. MSOS absolutely spanked here. Down 26% yesterday, no coverage. CGC down 11% yesterday. The rest of them were okay. The rest of them kind of consolidated. But Prawn probably looks like the best setup here. Broke above resistance, came back down to consolidate. This is probably the best setup for cannabis names. Yeah. This has got to be the best setup so far. I would simply watch Kron here as a name that if it can hold above $3, this could end up being something worthwhile watching. President Trump will be announcing more incredible deals with lower prices of drugs and pharmaceuticals at 1 p.m. Okay. Context needed. There we go. Okay, we have context for the meeting. Thank goodness. We have context for the meeting. Thank goodness. Thank goodness. All right, where we at here? Kron looking decent. Gonna put up some I don't know what the heck this is. Whatever. Oh, actually. All right. Now, I want to go back to Robinhood here. Chat, if you have not yet, of course, smash the like button, guys. If you're new here, subscribe to the channel. But, guys, drop some tickers into the chat, and let's go through it. Hood. Oh. Drop some tickers into the chat, and let's go through it. I have an idea for Robinhood. I'm probably gonna chat. All right. Listen, trade of the day. I'm probably gonna end up. Do we touch AVGO? Not yet. DJT, Tesla. All right. We're getting to it. Good. Send them through. I'm probably gonna end up shorting Robinhood today again. Probably out the gate. That will most likely be the game plan for myself. Just letting you guys know from now. It may work out. It may not work out. That would probably be the YOLO play for me. Out the gate. Out of the gate. The gate out. Okay? Cool. Everyone got that? Everyone wrote it down? Cool. High risk? Definitely. Risk size to 0. Could it work out? Sure. Will work out? I don't really know. Did it work out yesterday? Yes. 195%, 190% off of the puts you got yesterday in the Discord on the VC, which were fantastic. The only thing is I didn't close out my full position. I still had 2 contracts left, and now Robinhood's gapping up 2%. So those contracts are going to be worth, well, they're 120 puts, so they're technically going to be in the money if this were to stay where it is. So they won't be worth nothing. Oh, actually, you know what? They're technically going to be in the money, so they'll probably be okay. But they're going to be back to break even, if not in the red significantly, right? Maybe down 25%. But at least they're in the money at the money, so it shouldn't be toast. Maybe I'll just hold on to those contracts then, actually. Huh. I only have 2. Anyways, we'll figure that out later. Let's go through whatever you guys are talking about. Here we go. Okay, Tesla looks good. Okay, if Tesla, I'll give you guys the 2 different levels to me for Tesla. Okay, very simple. Very simple. Okay. Write this down. Tesla above 488 looks great long. Tesla below 481 looks great short. It is that simple. Long, short. It is that simple. Those are the levels that I'm looking at for Tesla to either give us a great breakout or give us a great pullback. Very simplistic in regards to what I'm looking at for Tesla. All right. I probably need to see a 50-minute candle close over those levels there. Just got to give you a little bit of confirmation. But the way that this is basing so high and not really having a significant pullback that just continues to trend down is actually looking pretty strong. So I do like that. I do like that a lot. A lot. Let's see here. We got Oracle. Oracle to me is great. The fact that it popped back up. I still want to see Oracle push much higher, like much higher. It is very close to my risk level here. Very close to my. So I don't want to see Oracle back down below basically 179, 180. I don't want to see it back down there. Above 200 and we're cooking again. We're absolutely cooking. So I love that. Okay. I love that. DJT. They had an amazing deal yesterday, currently up 4.6% again. Yeah, this nuclear deal here is having an absolutely fantastic move here with DJT. I'm not gonna lie. As long as this can hold above this gap up day low, which is 1271, the only direction to look at this would be long. Until we see something below this white range here, I would only be looking long. Rumble. Rumble. Oh, rum. Why am I not thinking about rum? I thought you were talking about a completely different ticker. All right, guys, it's 9 o'clock. If you have not yet, of course, smash the like button, engage the video, drop some masks in the chat, and let's get a nice roll call going here to kick off the OPEX Friday. Rum is looking like an inverse head and shoulder pattern here. I would like it much better if it could base back above 738, 750. If it can do that, I feel a lot more comfortable here. I liked this basing here out of support. It did the same thing again, but I wouldn't chase it here because the ideal entry was roughly below, 550. But now that's at 675. I'd want to wait until it got back above this range here. I want to wait until it base back above here before I started looking at going long towards $10. You know what I mean? Or come back down towards this support, and I wouldn't mind going long here. So we can kind of push back up that way. One of the two. Okay, let's take a look here. We got ourselves Chad Layman 585 in the building. Good morning. Mike 23 Lakers in the building. Good morning. Incognito 321 on Twitch. Kim Harrison 2051. Gang coming from Tim Flux. Field Warrior in the building. Merry Christmas coming from Ella. Incognito says let's go. Raleigh Vermont. Oklo. Howie Wood. Sorry, not Howie Wood. Howie James. Howie Ames. Not James. Howie Ames. Tim Flux. Raleigh, Vermont. Be easy and listen. Ed Sandy. DB Moshua. Dummarine Trader. IMAX 3901. Vantage Point 6554. Black Suits 29. Fit for Taking. Tone in the building. MDWIS. Lawrence Capper Start LLC. Web Creator. Good morning. We got ourselves Angel Medrano, I think, if that's correctly. That might be a Portuguese name. I'm not sure exactly. Canary 610, Next Gen, Dummarine Trader again, Chris Watson, Wealthy G Money, Supplier 101, Hunter, and good morning, happy holidays. Can you check ABCT? Bilbo, good morning. Guys, drop some W's and T's, some else in the chat. We had a little bit of a mixed bag here. I think YouTube adding these numbers to the name is odd. Lizzie, good morning. Hey, if you guys have not yet, do me a favor, guys. Everybody, if you have a second, drop a quick 1 in the chat. Drop a quick 1 in the chat. I'll pull the chat from the screen because you guys can't see each other on different channels. I just realized that. Just flood the chat with a 1 really quickly, and then you guys can see each other's on the different channels and outlets. Twitch, clips, main channel, all that jazz. Cool. Okay, so let's see here. We got ourselves open door. All right, open door is looking decent. I gotta see it come back down a little bit lower. I want to see it below roughly $6 so I can start selling some puts, but I don't mind this look whatsoever. I do not mind this look whatsoever. Let's see here. Yeah, starting to see a little bit of weakness this morning. I like the gap up, but I'm not really looking for a huge gap up to do anything crazy. So hope you guys saw each other on all different channels. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, bums YouTube added numbers. Yeah, it's just really weird. It's just very weird, right? I don't really know what that's about, but that's cool. It's cool. Is anything looking decent today? GameStop needs to hold above this 2250 range for me. As long as GameStop can hold above this 2250 range for me, I don't mind this at all. ABTC. Again, as long as it holds above 156, long. Very simplistic. Very simplistic. Anything below that, don't want it. Anything below 153, no bueno. At all. FRMI. Fermi. No, not touching that. Not touching that with a 10-foot pole. Does Tilray have squeeze potential? I want to see it base a little higher, right? So it got rejected from this level of resistance. I want to see it break through and then base above it. Once that happens, I think I'll have some squeeze potential. Not yet, though. Not yet, though. SPCE, chilling. Okay. I think USO should be on watch. What else am I liking here? What else am I liking here? How's Bitcoin looking? Bitcoin's doing okay. Oklo? Yeah, we can definitely pull up Oklo. Are you guys still live trading? Yeah, you guys can live trade with us as early as today. Link in the description below. But if you are going to jump in, guys, jump in before January 1st, okay? You can jump in. You can get a 10-day trial. You can chill there for the holidays, get all the weekly videos, the educational content, and the new videos that will be coming out for the next year as well. So it should be a fun time during the downtime. Oklo is suffering here. Oklo back above 85. I feel a lot more confident touching this bad boy. Below 85, I have zero interest in taking a long shot here because this could very well be shoulder, a head, a shoulder. If it can't break back above here, it's going down, right? Break back above here and base, and that's a different story. Then we can start looking at that upside move. But if we don't get this, we're going to get this. Just got to see it. It has to give us a reason, you know? It has to give us a reason to do something. TMI, I just got a blue chew ad in the middle of your stream. Is there something you want to tell us? Well, you know what? Ads are catered for the viewer. So it really has nothing to do with me. So I want to Uno reverse this question and flip it back to you. Is there something that you want to tell us? It's okay, we'll wait. Dun, dun, SMR, sure. Oh, SMR. Yeah, that Udo reverse card comes in dangerous, I know. Honestly, SMR is a very interesting name here. I thought this thing was supposed to come down for weeks. And this thing just kept breaking back up. And then finally, it got slapped back down here. I need to see this thing hold at least above 1691. Mr. Poots, I see you just put a 1 in chat, and it's mad late, my guy. So that means you need to press... Oh, you're not going to see this until the stream's done. When you see this eventually, Mr. Poots, you're going to realize you're way behind. You got to press live. Press the live button. But you know what? You probably jumped in late, or you pressed pause, went to go do something, came back, press play again, and now you're like 10 minutes behind. It is what it is. It's cool. Tim says, just report, Tim says he's good in that department. All right, so just quick FYI, he said he's all good in that department. Just in case anybody was wondering, he's good. Nah, I'm just playing. Happy holidays, though. Happy holidays. And to all those who aren't good in that department, hopefully you guys get yourself a nice blue trad. Oh, man. What are Fridays for if not to make fun of everybody, you know? What are Fridays for? What else are Fridays for? Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, I think we're going to leave things there for now. We have an idea for oil. We have an idea for the SPY and the Qs. We have an idea for the hood, Robin Hood, that is. We have an idea for Tesla. Okay. Mod Squad, we appreciate you guys as always. Twitch, thank you guys very much for tuning in. I got points for you if you want to live trade with us, guys, in the Bay Street Bulls community. Link in the description to do so. Feel free to jump in there and live trade with us. We'll be live trading in the next 20 minutes. 50K for the Twitch stream. Hopefully you guys all have yourselves an amazing day today on Twitch. I see more of you guys popping in on the stream. I see you. You know what we got to do? We got to do double points today. 50. We're doing it twice. It's so nice he did it twice. All right, guys. Much love. Enjoy your Friday. I will see you guys on Monday. Have a great holiday weekend. And we'll talk about, all the pre-Christmas stuff before Christmas. All right. Much love, guys. Deuces.